Hi, I'm Grant from JB, and this is The Last Dance, the limited edition Blu-ray gift set, exclusive to JB Hi-Fi. The Last Dance is a 10-part docu-series chronicling both the NBA Chicago Bulls' landmark 97-98 season and the career of the legendary Michael Jordan, from his high school team beginnings to becoming an international phenomenon. Alright, so let's have a look, shall we? Okay, so plastic's off. Let's have a look inside. First thing you'll find is an insert which contains a fold-out visual timeline of Michael Jordan's career, from his first draft to the end of the 97-98 season. It also has an art book with quotes and a synopsis on each episode. And of course, the most important thing, the actual show itself on 3 Blu-ray discs. As well as the series itself, you also get over 4 hours of extra features, including bonus interviews, archival and TV material, and Game 6 the movie, a cinematic presentation of the last game of the NBA's 1998 finals, and is considered to be one of the most iconic games in the sport's history. Now, if you want more NBA, don't worry, we've got more NBA. Like the Pop Vinyl basketball range, available in-store now, featuring players from both past and present, as well as the Space Jam 2 collection. The first movie's still available in store too. And that's not all. At selected stores, you can get the NBA Hoops 2020-21 season of trading cards, and we're also selling posters. Check the website for availability. And hey, don't forget NBA 2K21, available on PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch. Not enough games for you? Why not check out the Arcade 1UP NBA Jam 3/4 size arcade cabinet? There's even official stools you can get for it as well. This one's available from our website. To pick up your copy of the Last Dance gift box set or anything here, bounce into your local JB Hi-Fi or pass it to jbhifi.com.au.